What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and Crystal is in the van, and we are going to explore Arkansas this beautiful Sunday. Where are we going, baby?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Robert picked.
That's quite the lipstick you got there, baby. Why are you turning away?
Why are you making fun of me?
I'm not. We're at another state park in Arkansas. This one's in Conway, Arkansas, and we don't really know much about it. There's like it's a 150-acre state park. Look at yourself in the mirror.
Yeah, I am.
What a weirdo. Anyways, this trail, I don't know where the trail starts, but we're trying to find the trail. But this trail is part of the Trail of Tears, so that's what we're looking for now. We found part of the Arkansas River here. So that's pretty cool. I'm liking it. Got some pretty cool graffiti cliff art going on here on the rocks. What do you think, baby?
So pretty.
Digging it?
Yeah.
I'm honestly not really sure where this trail leads. We're just kind of enjoying the trail by the riverside right now. I don't know where the actual portion of the Trail of Tears is, but somewhere in this general vicinity. So, pretty humbling moment to be walking the Trail of Tears. You kind of think back and reflect on what all that meant, or what all this trail has seen over the years. It's pretty crazy.
Alright, so in case you guys were interested in learning a little bit more about the Trail of Tears, I will read this little paragraph. In 1838 and 1839, a part of Andrew Jackson's Indian removal policy, the Cherokee Nation was forced to give up the lands of the East Mississippi River and migrate to an area in present-day Oklahoma. The Cherokee people called this journey the Trail of Tears because of its devastating effects. The migrants faced hunger, disease, and exhaustion on the forced march. Over 4,000 people of the Cherokees died. Over 4,000 of the 15,000 of the Cherokees died.
Pretty crazy.
Pretty crazy. That is pretty nuts.
Alright, y'all, so we're done hiking. We're at my folks' house, and I'm going to have a steak dinner with them. But I got to thinking, I need a round bale for a target for the bow. I can put those in between my buildings and have a safe place to shoot. So I'm going to put a round bale of hay in the back of the van here, because we got a cargo van. That's what they're for.
And love on him. He's just like, okay, Mom, whatever.
Why are you making fun of me for putting a round bale of hay in my van?
I don't know anybody that puts a round bale in a van. That is so city to me.
That's not city. Is that city?
I mean, round bales, you have a trailer.
Well, I didn't bring my truck. I didn't plan on getting a round bale.
That's just it. You don't plan on a lot of things, right? You just do it.
That's right. Spontaneous. That'll fit. Come on. Boom. Fits perfect. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, open that thing up. Mom and Dad are both making fun of the fact that I got a hay bale in the back of my van. They said it looks funny. What I say that outfit looks funny. We got Reuben. We got Rye, we got Rebel, we got Rhett, and we got Belle, and we got Crystal, and we got Steaks. Bon appetit. What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and we're about to start the morning meeting. It's the next day. How you doing there, Crystal?
I'm doing great.
She's doing great. I made her coffee in bed this morning.
Yeah, he did. It was really
Actually, I made it out of bed, and then I brought it to her in bed. Talent right
Probably
there.
a smart idea.
Talent. We got Brandon Looking lean there, man.
Yeah.
We got Kara. Looking lean there, Kara. We're gonna do a DSK update soon, by the way.
Cute.
More coffee. And more coffee. We're gonna pretty much cut this vlog short because everything happened yesterday, but we are gonna unload the hay bale this morning and get that set up. So we'll finalize this vlog with that.
Oh, okay, good.
Alright. So, Brandon, you and I, let's get in the van and we'll just push it out the van.
1, 2, 3.
No.
Woo! Yep, keep going. Woo! I'm so humble. Did that by myself?
Alright, now, trying to flip it over. Get close to the tree. How's that?
Kara's a lot of help right now.
About the right angle?
Yeah.
I feel like it is.
I love it.
Whew. You love it. We done. Now we gotta test it out. See you tomorrow.